So here is the demonstration of how we intend to use the Google Classroom imports in our app. This is basically an educational app. I'll be showing on localhost since we are not verified to show um, on production environment. But basically how it works is that the teacher here will just sign in. Okay, so let me try this again. I will sign in with this account. And this clearly says continue to Propello. Um, and then to have all the classes that this user potentially has on Google Classroom, he needs to come to our manage classes, then import Google Classroom. And then here again it says choose an account, continue to Propello, and I will choose again the same account. This. So I have this test class already created. Here it is with one student and one teacher. I have logged in with the teacher. So I will just import this class. It shows the email or the name of this is the student, this is the teacher. So I get that if there is no name set up to this email, then it's just showing email. Otherwise, it's showing the name of the student, class, and that's it. It is redirecting me to basically see what's going on in the classes, but it's more important this verification process to show you that here the class appears and there are user type student, user type teacher. So this is imported and it's okay. So basically the verification is just that this created an account with this email in our system for this student to sign in so he can access the content. I will try it now to sign in. So this account already exists, so it's linking. And here it is. This is the view of the student that we just imported. He can access his class here. It says test class, the same as here, shows who is present in this class. There are no resources added right now, but this is how it's used. And at any time, the teacher can remove the complete account, basically delete the complete account of the student. If the student leave the school or the teacher decides to leave our application, that is something he can do without any problems at all. So let us just do that right now. And manage classes. He can remove the student from this class. Student, and that's it. The class remains, but the student is no longer in Propello application. So that's that.